Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Spotify app on your phone. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Play Store if you are on Android or launch the App Store if you are on an iPhone. Once you're in your store, tap on the search bar and type in Spotify and search for it. The Spotify app will appear in the search results. Find the app with this logo and you can see the install button right next to it. You can tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on it. And there you go. You can now log in and explore the Spotify app. So that's how you can easily download Spotify app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.